Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to repost reels on Instagram. So right here is the home page of my Instagram. The next thing you have to do is to make sure that your Instagram is updated in order to get the latest option of called Repost on your Instagram. So you just have to go to your Play Store app or your App Store depending on your device in order to update your Instagram app. Having done that, next thing you have to do is to click on the Reels option found at the bottom of your screen. The Reels icon, just click on it. So right here, you just have to select the particular video that you want to repost on your Instagram account and just click on the Instagram, click on the repost. So yeah, you're going to see an option for you to drop an emoji for this repost. If you want to drop a thought or a comment, you just have to type it in here and then it's going to pop out and be visible for your audience when they see this reel that you repost. So guys, that is it on how to repost reels on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.